Hi guys, welcome back. Today I shared how to make perfect chicken tomato stew. To start off camera, I wash my tomato, fresh long pepper, fresh tatashe, onion and scotch bonnet. Then I place into the cooking pot to dry the water. Then I turn on the heat. While doing that, so I wash my chicken off camera. Then I season my chicken with some chicken seasoning, paprika, curry powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, onion and garlic powder. Then I go in with some bay leaf and onion. Then I start to combine. As you can see, I mix very well to combine. Now I go in with some salt. Then I also stir to combine. Then I go in with blended scotch bonnet. Yes, to give it a spicy taste. So I mix to combine, as you can see. Then I cover to cook. After 10 minutes, our chicken is ready. Then I separate the chicken from stock. Then I place it on a grilling pan, or you can call it cooking grate or cooking grill. So after that, I take it to oven to grill. And we are going to grill it for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then I strain the chicken stock using a strainer and remove the part that is not needed. So after that, I place my cooking pot on the heat. Then I go in with some vegetable oil. Then I go in with onion. So now I decide to check my chicken after 20 minutes. It is ready. Look at how beautiful it is. So I have to taste too. Yes, who they cook supposed to taste. Just look at how golden brown. That's exactly what I am looking for. Then I go in with tomato paste. Then I stir fry. Then I go in with tomato mix. Then I also stir fry. I stir until everything is well combined. Then I rinse my blender and I'm going with it. I cover to cook. After like 10 minutes, then I remove the lid and also stir. Then I go in with the chicken stock. Yes, chicken stock. Then I stirred and cover to cook. Now after 10 minutes again, then I stir to combine. Now I go in with my grilled chicken. Then I stirred to combine. I guess you perceive the aroma from here because everywhere smells so good. So now our chicken tomato stew is ready. So I pair with pasta. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.